My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the web push notifications that are related to the site myadvertstudio.com. Myadvertstudio.com is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are humans and not robots. But in reality, to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This may hijack the browser with a lot of pop-ups that will be attacking in the form of web push notifications. If you click on allow button, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu, then settings, then privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove these malicious sites from the list. Finally, to be sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.